Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll focus on LO3, understanding the usage and security concerns related to networking. Let's explore how secure your network really is and how technologies like virtual private networks protect your data and keep you connected. Network topologies like star and bus define the structure. Peer-to-peer and client-server are common network types. Data rates and addressing, such as IP and MAC, are crucial. Services include email, conferencing, and file transfer. Security is paramount, involving firewall configuration and user rights. Network security ensures the usability and integrity of your network. It employs both hardware and software technologies. The aim is to prevent threats from entering or spreading. Effective management of network access is crucial. It is a continuous process targeting a variety of threats. VPNs create private network connections over public networks. They encrypt traffic to maintain confidentiality. VPNs use technologies like IPsec and SSL for security. They offer cost savings and scalability. Compatibility across WAN link options is a key benefit. Site-to-site VPNs connect networks across untrusted networks. VPN gateways encapsulate and encrypt outbound traffic. The receiving gateway decrypts and relays the packet. This ensures secure communication between sites. It is a reliable method for connecting geographically separated networks. Remote access VPNs enable secure connections for users. They can be dynamically enabled by the user. Both IPsec and SSL can be used for these connections. Clientless VPNs use a web browser for security. Client-based VPNs require software like Cisco AnyConnect. VPN concentrators are used in large organizations. They authenticate VPN clients and establish connections. Encryption management is a key function. These devices handle multiple simultaneous connections. They are essential for maintaining secure VPN operations. Correct. Enterprise VPNs secure traffic across the Internet. They use IPsec and SSL for site-to-site and remote access. Service provider VPNs use MPLS for secure channels. They segregate traffic from other customers. Both types offer robust security solutions. IPsec secures VPNs across IP networks. It provides confidentiality, integrity, and origin authentication. Encryption algorithms prevent data reading. Hashing ensures data integrity. Internet key exchange authenticates communication parties. Correct. IPsec uses Authentication Header or Encapsulation Security Protocol. AH is for authentication without confidentiality. ESP provides both confidentiality and authentication. The choice influences available security features. It is a foundational decision in IPsec deployment. IPsec operates in transport and tunnel modes. Transport mode protects data between hosts. Tunnel mode secures entire IP packets. The choice depends on the security needs. Both modes ensure data security during transmission. IPsec defines two main protocols, AH and ESP. AH authenticates source hosts and ensures payload integrity. ESP adds encryption for confidentiality. Both protocols enhance security at the IP level. Their use depends on specific security requirements. Confidentiality uses symmetric key cryptosystems. DES, 3DES, and AES are common algorithms. Integrity ensures data remains unchanged. HMAC guarantees message integrity. SHA and MD5 are widely used hashing algorithms. IPsec uses pre-shared keys and RSA for authentication. PSK is easy but does not scale well. RSA uses digital certificates for peer authentication. Both peers must authenticate each other. This ensures secure communication channels. Diffie-Hellman enables secure key exchange. It establishes a shared secret over insecure channels. Larger key sizes enhance security. ECC reduces key generation time. Different DH groups offer varying levels of security. VPN tunnels secure data across networks. They encrypt data and add VPN headers. Firewalls verify sender authenticity. Man-in-the-middle attacks are mitigated. This ensures secure data delivery to the destination. Securing a local area network involves several steps. Change the router's default IP and SSID. Disable remote access and update encryption. Change default passwords and connect physically. These steps enhance network security. In conclusion, we have explored how these tools play a crucial role in ensuring secure and efficient network operations. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.